With the easyDITA connector for Lilt, easily create technical documentation in easyDITA, send it to Lilt for translation, and then send it back to easyDITA for publishing. So first what we're going to do is open up easyDITA and create a new file, and then create a new localization job to send that file to Lilt. So we'll go in here and enter the file title, and then we'll click Create. So what you'll do is locate that file you just created, click the menu indicated by the 3 dots on the right-hand side, and navigate down to Localization Jobs. So we'll go and select XLIF package from the top right there. You can enter some project notes so you know what this project is. And then we'll go and select our target locales. So in this case, we're going to select Spanish and click Add a new locale. We'll then click French. Let's also select German. Once we've got all those locales picked, we'll click Save. Now when you set up the integration with Lilt, you'll choose a specified frequency at which Lilt will check easyDITA for new localization jobs. So now let's pretend that that time has passed. Lilt has now checked easyDITA for those jobs, and we can see that easyDITA has sent those 3 jobs to Lilt. So let's go through and translate all 3 of these documents. We're just going to accept the machine translation here because this is just to show how the connector works. Now that we've translated all 3 jobs, we're going to move them to the Done column. Now at that same specified frequency, Lilt will go ahead and send those jobs back to easyDITA. So let's reload the page. So we'll navigate back to that document, hit that same menu button, click Localization Jobs. So now on this page, we'll see under Completed Localization Jobs, that job we just had sent back from Lilt. We can see all of these jobs are marked as 100% done. And we can also see when the job was created. So now within that same job, we can go up to the top menu and click Locales. And what we'll see is the different locale translations for that content. So you can see under German, that translated content, under French, our translated content, and under Spanish, our translated content. So now you've seen how the easyDITA connector for Lilt enables you to easily create technical documentation in easyDITA, automatically send that content to Lilt for translation, and automatically send that content back from Lilt to easyDITA for publishing.